Hey guys, so we're back on the tariff issue, and one of the questions that's coming up is how these tariffs are going to impact the medical system. So let's talk about that. There's three main areas where we're worried, mostly about the counter tariffs that Canada would put on goods coming from the United States. The first area is medical devices. So everything from insulin pumps to pacemakers to those titanium hips we put in people mostly come from the United States. So if those get hit with counter tariffs, the cost to the healthcare system will go up. The second category is hospital equipment, and that is a broad swath of stuff that hospitals use, whether it's PPE like masks and gowns and gloves, or syringes or IV fluids, defibrillators, or equipment like the bronchoscope I use to look inside people's lungs and endoscopes that gastroenterologists use, or bigger equipment like CT scanners, MRI scanners, X-ray equipment. A lot of that comes from the United States. The last category is pharmaceuticals, so drugs, and Canada has a good pharmaceutical manufacturing industry. We make a lot of drugs here, but a lot of the raw ingredients, a lot of the active ingredients actually come from the United States. So those pharmaceutical companies would need to import those ingredients at a higher cost, and they may well pass that cost on to the consumer. The cost will go up for our health system and for individuals who are paying out of pocket for drugs, and that is a major concern. That's why we need a pharmacare program, because a lot of people can't afford their medications. So if we have tariffs and counter tariffs, all of this gets worse. So really hoping that this doesn't happen for all sorts of reasons, but also for the healthcare system.